The ruling ZANU-PF party has emerged victorious in the recently held local authority by-elections in Webworth, Ward 6, and Chinhoyi, Ward 14, amid widespread voter apathy and concerns over the fairness of the electoral process. Zvinopinda mashoko kubuda panguva ino zvinozivikanwa kuti ZANU-PF wins Epworth and Chinhoyi by-elections. Tinobva subscribe wala ikoti unobhela ikoti. Tipinda muna uziri mubuda nyika muchinzi. In Epworth Ward 6, ZANU-PF candidate Moshe Civilized won with a landslide, garnering 3,022 votes, according to Chirere Ocean Chenjerai, the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission (ZEC) elections officer for the area. Civilized was followed distantly by MDCTC Alice Nyawunji, who managed a paltry 120 votes, while independent candidate Peter Nyapetwa secured only 23 votes. Meanwhile, in Ward 14 Chinhoyi, ZANU-PFC Solomon Bizweg was declared the winner with 599 votes according to Taona Pfonye, the ZEC elections officer. Independent candidate Hope Zimbiri came second with 194 votes. While ZANU-PF celebrated the wins as a show of continued support, critics have raised questions about the level of public engagement and the credibility of the process. The alarmingly low voter turnout in both areas, especially in Chinhoyi, where fewer than 800 votes were cast, has intensified claims that Zimbabwe's elections are failing to energize or inspire voters. Observers also noted the absence of any significant civic engagement or voter education in the lead-up to the polls, further reinforcing the perception that these elections were little more than formalities, rubber stamping ZANU-PF's grip on power. Despite the official announcement, the silence from the streets of Epworth and Chinhoyi suggests that citizens remain unconvinced and disengaged. In a country where elections have long been made by accusations of rigging, coercion, and uneven playing fields, the results are unlikely to change public perception or the political status quo. Ndomashoko aripo panguva ino vanhu vachiona kuti aiwa maelections panguva ino akuitwa nezec under ZANU-PF haachambobetseri chinhu ende vanhu havachamboendi kumbonoparticipata. Rega kumesection medu kuti mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musango subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.